Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's Happy Me on a Budget here, and I'm coming to you today with a video about my sticky notes. Now, I keep them in this container here, as you can see, which it's okay. It's placed in the Rascog and it's okay, but because they're all together and they're at the bottom shelf of the Rascog, I can't really see what I have. So what I've decided to do, I've been going through all my planners, and this is one of my old planners, the ARC system that I've had for many years, and I've decided to put my stickers in it. I think it would be a very good idea. That's what I've decided to do. So I've got all the stickers here, the sticky notes. I've got all these, all the different sizes, all these tiny little ones that I never can see. So once I can't see them, I can't use them. Yesterday we had snow in London, UK, and the snow is still on the ground and on cars and in all my plant pots in the garden, but the sun's come out now. I've had to close the curtains because the sun was far too much to record this video. So I've closed the curtains and the sun is beaming through the curtains at the moment, which is really nice. I'm not complaining at all. Now I've got these ones as well, and I'm just thinking whether I should take them out because I really do need to see them. Once I can't see them, I don't get to use them. So these are just ordinary stationery sticky notes, which I have a drawer for those. So I've got all those there. I've got a drawer for those, and I've got this one here, and I've got a drawer full of the ordinary ones, but these ones I really do want to get into a little system where I can see them. That's what I have. And then I have these ones as well, which I need to take them out because I'm never going to see them. And I also have these as well, which are really nice, these sets, but I think I'll keep these in here for now and see what I'm going to do with them. So let's see now. I'm wondering if I should start with the small ones and then work my way to the bigger ones, because just can't see them at all. I used some of these yesterday to put on my mini Happy Planner dashboard. So I've got the rest of these ones. Think Big, Bright Idea, just saying. Really. Okay, so we put all these, put them like this. These can go all at the front, the little ones. Got to put some sticky on that. So it's a lovely sunny day outside today, but it's still very cold. So I'm wrapped up with my PJs on. little ones as well, the hearts and the crowns. So I think those can. Okay, I think that's good. So let's just move this for a minute. Comes in the packets. Oh, I'll put this one as well. And that fit there. And we've got this little one here. I think I can just about get away with that. How about if we put these two like this? Yeah, I think we might just be able to get away with that. Did I have those now? Did I have those like that? How about if I put it like that? I hope the weather's good where you are. Okay, so that one's done. So at least got that done. Let's take this out. This is some old stuff that I've had here. Because at least now they're all in one place and I can always go to them and find exactly what I want. And then this can sit with all my planner stuff. Lovely. It's 2 done. And then I can put some on this side as well. So let's have a look at these ones. See, that's a set here. That's a set here. I want to keep the sets together, and then that's a set as well. So I'll keep all the sets together so they don't get mixed up. I want to try and decorate my planner with post-it notes, sticky notes. One of these days, that'll be a challenge for me. There we go, that's that. And then we'll do these ones. This one's a set to go with this, but just make sure that I remember, hopefully I can remember that it's on the other page. Got to utilize the space. Don't want to be leaving big gaps, and then if I get any more, I'd like to add them in, so I've got to utilize the space as best as I can. And these two can go there. So at least it's in, and I can get a band to put around there if need be. Now, I'm not quite sure whether I should just leave these in, the packets for now. So I can leave these in a packet, I think. Okay, so I've got these 2 shopping lists as well, so I'll keep these in the box. That's lovely. Much better. So I know where all my stickers are now, and I've still got room, plenty of room for some more. Here. I'm hoping not to accumulate anymore. It's too much. Let's see if that'll fit. Oh, that'll fit in there. I'll keep this one out because I know I have it. I think that's it for now. All my sticky notes. Yep, I think that's fine. That's lovely, and that could just sit right back where it came from in the Rascog. And if I get any more sticky notes, fingers crossed that I don't, because I don't need any more. As you can see from here, I need to use these up, but I'm going to experiment in using sticky notes in my planner. Try and really get creative with the sticky notes and washi tapes as well. So that's that. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to see more how-tos, DIYs and all sorts, happy planning and everything else in between. If you did like this video, again, thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank you so much. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers while I've been away. And I'm hoping that I get some more. Take care now. Bye for now.